What's your Tinder horror story? I matched with a girl who was way out of my league, and after seeing how beautiful she was, I assumed she would never respond to a guy like me. But after sending her a message, she actually responded. After a few weeks of texting, I finally worked up the courage to ask her to go on a date with me, and to my surprise, she said yes. The date was amazing, and after it was over, she asked me if I wanted to come to her going away party for work the next weekend. I happily agreed. That weekend, I showed up to the party, and I could see her stumbling around completely wasted. I tried talking to her, but she was slurring all her words and wasn't making sense. I decided to order her an Uber to get her home safely and got in with her. When we got in, she leaned up against my shoulder and started tearing up. She told me that there was something she needed to tell me. She had told all her co-workers that she was moving to a different state, but the truth was she had cancer and only had a few months left to live. She was bawling her eyes out at this point, and I just held her and told her I wasn't going anywhere. We spent 3 amazing months together before she passed away in my arms while I hummed her favorite song.